Today guys, I'm showing you right here my Rosita, right here, my cat, and she has a brown collar right there on her neck. I put it on when we barely saw her. She is mostly lost. I don't know, a lost cat or something. But she was right there on my front door, so I found her and I decided to keep her because I love cats so much. I always wanted one. I never had my one, but my mom did have 2 cats. That's not fair. And I think my Rosita's pregnant. Let me show you guys her feet. Oh, she's so cute. She's black with red. So cute right there. Let me show her her book. She's so cute. If you heard that, guys, that was just my dog. Okay, now let me show you my dog, Husky. Wait. Okay, so here's my Husky, the dog. She has a brown eye and she has kind of different eyes. She's a Husky, so cute. You can see her eyes right there. She's so cute. And also, my cat's a girl and my Husky's also a girl. Make sure, guys, before this video ends, I'm going to show you my frog. Now I'm going to tell you some things to do. Okay, so also she has a color as well, right there. It's a red one. It is red. Okay, now let me show you my other pet. We're going to show you my pet. This third pet I have. Here. It is a frog. And also it's a little baby frog. See right there. I found it in the river. In the river. Right there. Right there, so cute. Soon I'll just catch a fly soon right now. It's so cute though. Okay guys. I already showed you my frog, my Husky, and my cat. So guys, I'm going to end this video right now. I know it was a kind of just short right now. So yeah, bye guys. Also, I forgot, please leave a like in this video, subscribe, and also don't forget to ring the subscription down below. I don't know how to say it, but the comments, I believe they would turn on in like 59 more days. It was 60 days for them to turn on the comments. Okay, now guys, bye. See you guys in the next video. Bye.